And now about properties of quadrilaterals. Some properties are written here, and we are going to see what property will be for different quadrilaterals. Here in this, observe this table. In this table, horizontally and vertically. Horizontally, I written name of quadrilateral. Vertically, I written here properties, different properties. And horizontally, trapezium, above figure also drawn, trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. And vertically, different properties. What those? The first one, it has at least one pair of parallel sides. Second one, it has two pairs of parallel sides. Third one, its opposite sides are equal. Then fourth one, its four sides are equal. The fifth one, it has four right angles. The sixth one, its diagonals are equal. And we will see what property will be suit for different quadrilaterals. That means special quadrilaterals. The first one, it has at least one pair of parallel sides. See, in trapezium, clearly one pair it has. This trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Look, these two are parallel. That's why we are calling, according to definition of trapezium, if one pair of a quadrilateral has one pair of parallel sides, then it is trapezium. So clearly trapezium satisfies this property. So tick that one. And next, parallelogram. Parallelogram clearly has one, not only one pair, it has two pairs of parallel sides. Well and good. Not only one pair, it has two pairs. So that's why parallelogram also satisfies this property. So tick that one. It has one pair and moreover one more extra. Well and good. Next, rectangle. Rectangle also has at least one pair, at least one, more than one. Well and good. Rectangle also clearly has one pair of opposite, not only one pair of opposite parallel side, it has two pairs. So clearly it has one pair and more than one pair also. That's why rectangle also satisfies this property. Put a tick. Next, rhombus. Same like that. Rhombus also have not only one pair, two pairs. That's why rhombus also satisfies. And square also has at least one pair. So well and good. One pair and more pairs. One more pair also it has. So clearly the first property satisfies all quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals satisfy the first property. That means in trapezium also has one pair of parallel side. Parallelogram also has one pair of one pair of parallel side. Rectangle also have one pair of parallel sides. Rhombus also has one pair of parallel sides. Square also has one pair of parallel sides. Okay. Next, second one. It has two pairs of parallel sides. So coming to trapezium, it has two pairs of parallel sides? No, only one pair. That's why it will not satisfy. So into not satisfied. Next, parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel sides? Yes, it has. Look, one pair, and one more pair. So put a tick. Rectangle. Yes, it has. Clearly it has two pairs of parallel sides. Rhombus also having two pairs of parallel sides. One pair, one more pair. And square also has two pairs of parallel sides. So except trapezium, remaining all quadrilaterals satisfies the second property. And coming to third one, its opposite sides are equal. See this figure, opposite sides are equal? No. Mark into. And next, In parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal. Yes, in parallelogram, opposite sides are not only parallel, equal also. Put a tick. In rectangle, same like that. Opposite sides are, if a parallelogram satisfies any condition, means remaining 3 also will satisfy. Why? Because we are defining rectangle, rhombus and square from parallelogram only. What's the properties of parallelogram? Those all properties will be for rectangle, will be for rhombus, will be for square also. So that means automatically rectangle, rhombus, squares are parallelograms only. So if parallelogram satisfies remaining 3, that means rectangle, rhombus and square also will satisfy. No doubt in that one. That's why its opposite sides are equal. So parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Yes. Then rectangle also yes. Rhombus also yes. Square also yes. Next, its 4 sides are equal. In trapezium, 4 sides are equal? No. Mark into. In parallelogram, 4 sides are equal? No, only opposite sides are equal, not 4 sides equal. That's why mark into. Same like that in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal, not all sides equal. So it will also not satisfy, mark into. Rhombus, its opposite sides are equal. According to the definition of rhombus, earlier I explained. So, yes. In square, yes. Its opposite sides are equal. That means all 4 sides are equal in rhombus and square. So in remaining 3, no. Next, it has 4 right angles. Clearly in trapezium, any right angle is there? No. Look, the 2 obtuse angles and 1 acute angle there. So no chance of single right angle also in that one. And next, parallelogram. Look, it bend, not straightly. That's why no chance of right angle. Coming to rectangle, look, it is straightly, perpendicularly. That's why it has 4 right angles. Yes. Coming to rhombus, no chance at all in rhombus. So this one also not satisfied. But square has 4 right angles. According to the definition of the square, its all sides are equal and each angle is equals to 90 degrees. That's why 90, 90, 90, 90. 4 right angles it has. Next, its diagonals are equal. So only in rectangle and in square, diagonals are equal. In all remaining all quadrilaterals, diagonals are not equal. And one more property I have to remember. In rhombus and square, diagonals bisects each other perpendicularly. That means it is a square. In square, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D square. AC is one diagonal, one more diagonal, BD. AC and BD bisects. That means AC will divide BD into 2 equal parts. And same like that, BD will divide AC into 2 equal parts. Not only bisects, it will bisect perpendicularly. That means when bisecting, it will make 90 degrees. That means if intersection point is O, then AOD will be 90. Here also 90, 90, 90. Only for rhombus and square, diagonals bisects perpendicularly. That is one more property. And once again the properties, see here, it has at least one pair of parallel sides. All the quadrilateral satisfies the first property. And the second one, it has 2 pairs of parallel sides except trapezium, remaining all satisfies the second property. And third one, its opposite sides are equal except trapezium, remaining all satisfies the third property. And the next, its 4 sides are equal. So in 4 sides are equal only in rhombus and square. In remaining 3, not equal. And next, it has 4 right angles. So in 4 right angles will be only in rectangle and square, not in the remaining quadrilaterals. its diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal in rectangle and square. In the remaining quadrilaterals, diagonals are not equal. And one more property I told to remember, diagonals bisect perpendicularly only in rhombus and square. So these are the properties of special quadrilaterals. Hope you understood. So along with these videos, I will post worksheet. Go through the worksheet, solve that one, send me back before 4 p.m. Any doubts you may ask through WhatsApp. Have a good day.